फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एनएस ऑटोमेशन। फ्रेंड्स, आपका अपने चैनल एनएस ऑटोमेशन में बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं। आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि कैसे विंडो हैंडल्स मैनेज किए जाते हैं सेलेनियम वेब ड्राइवर में और हाउ वी हैंडल द मल्टीपल विंडोज इन सेलेनियम वेब ड्राइवर्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। फर्स्ट, लेट्स अस सी व्हाट इज द विंडो और अ टैब. What do you mean by a multiple windows? So basically, when you click on a link, button or any URL, the new tab or the new window of that browser gets opened. That window is known as the new window. We refer that window as a child window as well, and the window from where we have clicked the link or the button or any URL, that window is referred as the main window or the parent window. So there are the multiple windows that has been opened by that link or the URL. So these are now this we need to handle, because when we click a link or a button so that the new windows get open, the driver focus will remain on the previous window, that is the main window or the parent window. The driver's focus would not shift to the child window until unless will not handle the windows. राइट. सो इसी वजह से व्हेन आप जब एक किसी लिंक पे, किसी ब्राउज़र पे या किसी यूआरएल पे क्लिक करते हो और एक नई टैब या फिर एक नया विंडो ओपन हो जाता है उस ब्राउज़र का, तो उसे कहते हैं डिफरेंट टैब्स या डिफरेंट विंडोज़. और ये नए विंडोज़ जो ओपन होते हैं, इन पे काम करने के लिए हमें सेलेनियम वेब ड्राइवर की मदद चाहिए होती है, या आप कह सकते हो इन जो नए टैब्स ओपन हो रहे हैं, इन पे काम करने के लिए हमें इन विंडोज़ को हैंडल करना पड़ता है और वो विंडो हैंडल्स के थ्रू किया जाता है. तो जिस लिंक पे क्लिक करने से एक नई टैब खुलती है, तो उस नई टैब को बोला जाता है चाइल्ड विंडो. जबकि जिस लिंक पे आपने क्लिक किया, जिस पेज पे वो लिंक है, उस पेज को आपका मेन विंडो या फिर पेरेंट विंडो भी कहा कहते हैं. अब बेसिकली हमें ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ती है कि हमें शिफ्ट करने की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ती है, यानी कि हैंडल करने की क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ रही है यहाँ पर. तो हैंडल करने की ज़रूरत इसलिए पड़ती है कि जब भी हम किसी लिंक पे क्लिक करते हैं, तो हमारा जो वेब ड्राइवर जहाँ पे क्लिक कर रहा है, उसका फोकस उसी विंडो पे होता है, नए विंडो पे नहीं होता. तो अगर आपने नया विंडो ओपन हुआ है और उस विंडो पे कोई काम करना है, तो आप उस विंडो पे नया काम नहीं कर सकते जब तक कि आप अपने ड्राइवर का फोकस उस विंडो पे नहीं लाते हो. सो लेट अस सी हियर व्हाट आर द मेथड्स दैट आर अवेलेबल इन सेलेनियम टू हैंडल द विंडोज़. तो यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कौन कौन से मेथड अवेलेबल हैं. पहला होता है गेट विंडो हैंडल्स एंड सेकेंड वन इज गेट विंडो हैंडल. सो बेसिकली गेट विंडो हैंडल एंड गेट विंडो हैंडल इज द मेथड टू गेट द नेम ऑफ दैट विंडो, यानी कि आपको उन विंडो का क्या नेम है वो गेट करना है. So first method, get window handles. Get window handles is basically used to get all the name of the windows that is opened by Selenium WebDriver, right? So it get all the name of that window driver. So you generally use this like this, driver dot get window handles, and you will get all the name of the window. And now the return type of get window handles is iterator, or you can say the collections of string. So when you have second is get window handle, it will return a single string, यानी कि ये it will return the name of that browser or window, and that name of that browser and window should be in a single string, so that way its return type is a string. So first see how we need to handle or what is window handle. So let's suppose this is a web application guru99.com, where I have this link over here. Click here, this is a link. When I click on this link, the new tab gets open. Now after clicking this link, the tab gets open, and now I want to work over here, like I want to provide the my ID over here, right? And I need to click submit. So after clicking this URL or this link, the new tab get open, and I want to shift my driver focus to this window. So how can I do this with the help of Selenium? Let's see the code. So basically what we do, first what I did, I just launched the browser, I initialized the browser, Then driver.get, I have used the URL, the same URL which I need to open. Then I have maximized my browser, and now what I did here, I just click, I'm just clicking on the link to open new tab or window, right? So basically I have created the XPath of this, right? If you can see here, how can create the XPath, just inspect this element and just find out the where it is, just create the locators. So I have created the locator of this link, and after creating the locator I want to click on this link. And so what I did, I basically just click use the locator driver.find element by.xpath and dot click event, so that this can click, this command will click the link, and after clicking the link the new tab get open. So once the tab get opened, what you need to do first, I will use the driver.get window handle. The window handle will return the name of the window. So basically, let's suppose when you are clicking this link, first driver focus is over here. You launch the browser, the driver over this page. So this on this web page where the web driver focus is here. So when you click on this link, the new tab get open, but the driver focus remains here. So what I did here, I used driver.window handle. So what will it will do? It will return the name of this browser, or sorry, this tab of this browser. So here, what I did, I used a string main window because the return for this return type is string. So I have used a string variable, and where I have kept the name of the this I used as a main window, because I told you that from where we click the link or the button, that window is refers as the main window or the parent window. So that's why I have taken the variable as a main window, driver.get window handle. Now this command will return the name of the tab that is opened, right? So now the focus is here only. So I have just printed that name of the window. Then what I have done, I have used this another the command that we have, the get window handles. What it will do, it will return sorry, it will return the name of all the new tabs or windows, right? So it will return the names of all the tabs and the windows, right? Now suppose the main window is A, and the name of the main window is A. So it will return A and B as well, both. So what it will return, it will return A comma B. So it is not sure that it will return A or B. Sometime it's return B comma A. So it depends on, because this is not the string or array which uses the index to keep the variable. So basically here I have used the iterator, because the return type of get window handle is the iterator, and that means collections. So I have used the set of strings and s1. So now it contains either A or B or B or A. It can be, because what set basically do, set basically divide the, suppose you have the memory, so it divides into 2 parts or 3 parts as requirement. So it's not say that the upper part will be the 0 and this lower part will be the 1. So it may be first part and second part can be can be saved at like A comma B or B comma A. So for using this we need to use the logic, right? So now here I have used the iterator string I1 equals to s1 dot iterator. So what iterator will do, iterator is used to iterate between the element that is stored inside that, right? Now basically I have used the while loop where, so I just you can use the for loop as well, where you need use the I equals to 1 to the size of the window, I plus plus, you can use that one also. And I have used here while loop. While loop, how many windows are there in this set, it will execute till then, right? So I1 dot has next basically this is the method which returns if the values exist in that iterator, it will return true. If not exist, if no value is there in the iterator, so it will return false. So what it's basically, it's iterate between the value and calculate if the value is there, like its first value, it's if it is there, it will return 2. Second value is there, it will return true. Third value, when it's moved to the third value, it will won't find any value because there are only 2 values right now in this set, or you can say the iterator. So it will return true for 2 times only. Now I have used another string variable child window, where I have using the method I1 dot next. The next method is used to traverse into the next element of that set or the iterator, right? So has next is the method which return the true and false. This is the boolean method, and next method is used to move to the next value into that set or the iterator, right? So basically what I did, I just storing the name of the value that is present on the next, like I1 dot next. So first it will get this value or this value maybe. So I am storing this name into this value because this it has 2 string. So but on the one first element is the string, so I am storing that string into the string variable, and the name of the string variable is child window. You can keep any name you want. So I have just keeping the child window name as a child window, and I have just printed that name of the child window. Now I have used the logic here. What logic? Basically I am checking the main window is or the child window should not be equal. If they are equal, that means we are on the same window, and if they are on the different window, like if they are both are not same, that means we want to switch on the next window. सो अगर ये दोनों विंडो सेम नहीं होंगी तभी मैं स्विच करूंगा. दैट मैंने ये लॉजिक यहाँ पे लगाया इफ के अंदर. आई हैव यूज दिस लॉजिक. मेन विंडो इज इक्वल, दैट इज, इसका मतलब होता है नॉट इक्वल टू. मेन विंडो इज नॉट इक्वल टू चाइल्ड विंडो. अगर ये दोनों विंडो आपस में इक्वल नहीं है तब मेरा ड्राइवर स्विच करे किस में. इन सेलेनियम वी हैव द मेथड स्विच टू विंडो. हमने अलर्ट के लिए भी, फ्रेम्स के लिए भी यूज़ किया हुआ है. अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो आप मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियोस को देख सकते हो जिसमें मैंने अलर्ट्स और आई फ्रेम के बारे में बताया हुआ है. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, यहाँ पर ड्राइवर डॉट स्विच टू द मेथड विच इज़ यूज टू स्विच बिटवीन द विंडो, टैब, अलर्ट्स, frames. You can use any. So basically switch to is a method of Selenium WebDriver where with the help of that we can switch to different pop-ups. So basically this is the window. So we have used switch to dot window. Now I have used the name of child window because I am storing the name of the child window. If it is the windows which is not equal to the main window, means the parent window and child window both are not same, then driver need to switch on the child window. And after switching the child window, the driver should enter the name, email ID and click on the login button that I have shown you here. When you click, you need to enter the email ID and click on the submit button. So you just what I have did, I just find the locator of that driver.find element by name and dot send keys. I have sent the email ID, and then I have just used the driver.find element, find element by dot name, login button and that click. So these two functions I am using of Selenium. So to clicking on that link, after clicking just close the child window, and when you close the child window, switch back to the parent window and the driver close the parent window as well. So this is the code. Let me run this code. You can understand what is code is acting on the browser. So web application has been launched, the maximize, it clicked on the link, the new tab has been opened, it put the name and it's just click on the after that you have seen that it closed the main window. And then now you can see here as well, the name of the window has been populated over here. So one I have print the main window name. So main window name is this, the name main window name here, and the child window, because child window I have used inside the loop, so it will because I told you that it has two elements, so it will execute this loop two times, so that's why it's executed twice, and it will get the two names. So here you can say this is the name which is there as well, right? So these both are the name same. So when we find the name should not be equal, then it's able to switch the window. So right, so this is the window handle which get all the names here. So these two names get you get by the window handles, and this is the name you which is get by your window handle. So the logic work perfectly fine that it is not should be equal, and then it will be switched to the child window. जब ये दोनों विंडो आपस में नेम दोनों के सेम नहीं होंगे तभी ये स्विच करेगा. तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि ये और ये नेम दोनों सेम नहीं है, इसलिए उसने स्विच किया और देन यू एबल टू परफॉर्म. So this is all about the window handles. If you have any doubt or confusion or any want to ask, you can just write the comment section and just write all your queries and question in the comment section. I will come back to your question and resolve your queries. And if you like my video, just like the